Wanted to talk about some configuration changes I made to fix a couple of things. So prior to this, I was using esbuild because esbuild comes with the latest version of Phoenix, and we were using Phoenix 1.6, which comes with esbuild, but esbuild does not do it works with TypeScript out of the box, but it wasn't doing type checking. So what happens is that if you, for example, in Signal Hub, if I just delete one of these, which I did in one of the previous files because I thought this was for something else, I deleted this and I didn't get an error. It didn't complain. And that's not good because it actually was being used somewhere. So now if I start my server and if I were to remove this guy and save it, then I would get an error here that says it's being used in Teleportation Manager. So I should be able to go here and see this highlighted error, which is good. So I forced it to do type checking. So I had to install the TypeScript package into the dependencies, and I can run the command tsc watch. So I created a new script under the package.json, and then I just call both of these in the development environment watchers, which is in dev.exs here. So this is the command. Actually, I changed this a little bit because it was running the esbuild directly, and just to make it more consistent, I'm just running it using the npm run. So hopefully this works in production. So I'm running the esbuild alongside type check, and this should be watching as well. Well, they're both watchers, so I guess it keeps watching, or do I need... Oh, no. This is a command that automatically watches because it has the watch flag here, so we're good. So if I put this back, it will... the error will go away. And if we do a git diff, we can see here's... oh, there was another error, which is the... occasionally on the orchestrator we would see an error around here, something about it didn't know what svelte was, and I did some googling and apparently this makes that error go away. So now the type checker doesn't complain about that. And let's see what else. So this is just installing some other dependencies from doing the TypeScript install, I'm assuming. Yeah, I added concurrently, but I actually don't need that output because I was intending to run these two in a single command, but I don't need to do that anymore, so I can remove that. So let's go to ss npm uninstall concurrently. So that should remove it from... it's still here. So delete that permanently. Okay. Is there anything else? Okay, so added that. Okay, that's it. And oh yeah, I was let's remove that. Experimenting with running it using VS Code, which is fine, but it runs it in a separate terminal session, so I'd prefer to all be in one so I can see it. So let me remove this since it was added. Doing that. Okay. So we'll just say this is session 105. Improve some build config. I believe it's 105, right? YouTube, go to my videos. 105. All right.